The iOS 26.3 update is a mid-cycle release from Apple that focuses on polish, practicality, and incremental enhancements rather than sweeping new features. Building on the foundation of iOS 26, this update is expected to bring a series of refinements aimed at improving everyday usability, performance, and stability across supported iPhones. Key additions may include enhanced notification controls, expanded customization options for the lock screen and widgets, and further improvements to core apps like Messages, Photos, and Safari to make them more intuitive and responsive. There are also reports that Apple is introducing better interoperability features. For example, tools that make it easier to transfer data to other platforms or share notifications across devices, along with strengthened privacy dashboards, so users can see how apps are accessing sensitive information. While iOS 26.3 isn't a major UI overhaul, it represents Apple's ongoing effort to refine the user experience based on real-world feedback and sets the stage for the next big update later in the year. The rollout is expected to begin in early 2026, following Apple's typical beta testing period.